Hi guys, hi, let me show you guys how I installed this beautiful braided wig. But first things first, hi guys, my name is Ongezwa, but you can call me City Mom. Guys, before we get on with this wig review, I'd like to apologize. I have flu, so my voice is kinda sounding somehow. But I'll try to be loud and speak clear enough so that you can hear everything. But I do have flu, and if you know me, then you know that my voice doesn't sound like this, but a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, right? So I decided to do my wig lines first before I can install the wig. So before I install this wig, I just wanted to show you guys how the wig actually looks like. Guys, I love the baby hair on this wig. It looks so nice. Also, I love the fact that this wig is not heavy. You would think that it's heavy because it's braided wigs. It's actually very light on your head. But right now, I just want to take you guys through the process of installing this wig, which was very quick and easy. If you've done braids before, you know that you sit at the salon for 3 to 4 hours. Like you can't be there for like an hour or two. It's 3 hours, 4 hours. I love the fact that this braided wig saves me time because it literally took us 20 minutes to 30 minutes to install this wig. So guys, if you want to save time, but not only time, coins as well, I do have a discount code. I will put on my description box my discount code. I will tag the name of the company. So basically all the details that you need to know about how to go about purchasing this braided wig will be on my description box. So please click on it so that you can get all the details that you need to know about this braided wig. Like I said, guys, it is very, very fast, quick to install. This wig review won't be long because of how short it was to install this wig. So this is the final look, guys. This is the final look. These braids look so natural. They look like the braids that we know. You can't tell it's a wig. Guys, you honestly cannot tell that this is a wig, which is why I love it so much. Please go to the description box, get yourself this wig. You will not regret it. Kulungileke, bye.